Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to update you a little bit on my setup in the van. From when I did my last one, it was brought to my attention that I was storing my tanks wrong for my torches. Specifically the acetylene tank. From what, I looked it up now and I understand if you lay them down sideways or on their side, the gas and the acetone will separate, and that can be dangerous, and you don't want that to happen. And if you have been storing them sideways, you're not supposed to use them right away. They have to be upright, and I guess they settle after a while. So just from a hazardous point, I went ahead and changed out. As soon as somebody told me in the comments that I needed to put them upright, I went ahead and did so. I changed it out. I thought I was the only one that didn't know that, and I was like, okay, let me change it. Everything's cool. But I noticed that I've seen other van layouts or people showing their van tours, and they also have them on the side. They have them laying on the floor or on a shelf or something. So if this helps anybody out, that's a good thing. Just like I didn't know, some people don't know. And let me show you. Alright, so when I got this for my tanks, I was like, oh cool, like it has for nitrogen, and then it has for oxygen and acetylene. But like you guys mentioned, I can't do it on the side. There's not really much of an angle on the acetylene anyway. It's basically on its side when I had it there. And I was kind of bummed out, but I made the change. I don't want anything dangerous. So, and then I had another acetylene tank that was in that bag right there, that Vito bag, but that was never going to be permanent. That was I just threw it in there because I didn't have a spot for it yet. And the one up here was going to be permanent for my backup tank, and I went ahead and swapped it out. I now have the solder weld canister here, and that's holding my extra rods. I do have my main 15s in the torch kit in the carrier, and in here I just have like my backup stuff, my aluminum rods. I think I have the Alcop in here. And I do want to get more of their stuff. I've been having really good luck with solder weld. I've been patching up leaks and not getting called back on them. They hold, and I've struggled with old units and patching up leaks before, but not after switching to solder weld, so that's cool. And right now I'll show you over there where I put the tanks. Alright, so here on the side of my van, I actually have 2 extra acetylene tanks right now, and they're gonna be bunged up here. Not ideal, but they're upright at least. I will figure out a better way to put those. And then here's my main torch. So now everything's upright. I don't have to worry about that anymore. And just passing on some info. I appreciate the guys that brought it up to me, and I could make that change and be safe. As far as other updates, finally got a shop vac right there from Milwaukee. Excited to get some use out of that. I think that's a good thing to have for PMs. Also for PMs, I grabbed this one. I think a lot of companies now make the compact blower, but I've already officially switched over to Milwaukee, and I'm excited to use this too. So my PMs, summer's coming up, and I'll have a bunch of those calls, and we'll be able to get them nice and clean with these two. And then here I used to have these hooks that I would just throw these on, but I finally went out and got me some of these straps. I'm using the Keeper. I get these at Home Depot. They're a little cheaper than the Husky ones, so I needed, several. And this is way easier. I have the little cage on my window, so I just strap them and clip them, and that's good for that. Over here in my front cabin, I finally got something to hang my hats on. I'm gonna have different hats there. Got my work hat and my HVAC crew hat, sun hat. Very important for summer now. So I don't think I showed all of this last time. I probably didn't have it up here. And then I have I like to get these water coolers that have the hooks. Easy to put up. I got water all day. And I think I showed the ice chest. It's good for, I use it as a table. And then if I throw ice in there with some Gatorades and water, that helps. And I have this, I just got this not too long ago to heat up food. So if I pack a lunch, I just plug this in and it'll warm it up. It does need a couple of hours, so you got to do it ahead of time. But it's nice instead of eating cold sandwiches all day, or every day, I mean. Because I don't know about you guys, but I really don't get lunches, especially during the summer. And I've been trying to pack so I don't pick up like fast food every day on the way home or something. And the ice chest and, well, the water and the little food warmer is gonna help. I've used it a few times. It works out great. So that's some stuff that I didn't show in the last video. So technically updates. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a like. Leave a comment. And this was just a public service announcement for anybody who doesn't know, like I did or like I didn't, on the acetylene tanks. Because that can be dangerous. Don't want that. Just making sure there's a video that talks about it, and a quick little update. So thanks for watching.